So today's going to be an exciting day for us. We bought ourselves a Bosch Indego S Plus 350 robot lawnmower, and today is the day when we're going to be starting installing it, maybe finishing installing it. So we'll have a look at the unboxing and we'll have a look at how we install it in our back garden and hopefully how it works a bit. This is us expertly opening
I can't even put
robot.
Oh, thank you.
This is us expertly opening the robot.
Our new robot.
Da, 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 da.
Do it. That was that.
That's good, that's very good. Oh, look. Oh, this is clever. Oh, look.
Oh,
Wonder what that is.
instructions.
Instructions.
Or
Bits and pieces.
instructions as such.
A Bosch something or other. And
Oh,
inside
yeah.
is a robot.
That's the baby.
Oh. Installation guide, look. That's a bloody great manual.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot, that's what I want to take. Well, there it is.
Oh, this is just
Very neat. Okay.
what's that?
I'll get this one, you do that one. Okay,
There.
okay, you can live.
Wow.
There it is, posed.
But what we haven't cost is the colour for it.
I know. Well, perhaps we can buy it one of those for its birthday.
That's the cover.
Look at that, looks like a Ferrari, doesn't it? From
It
here?
does. Look at the wheels. Oh, look, they're quite sturdy. They'll press over everything.
Good. Okay. I've been reading the installation manual, so has Ali, and so we're feeling a little bit knowledgeable about it. This is the installation guide in multiple languages. We've been reading the English version, which has got about 25 pages of how to do it. We also have, oh goodness, we also have a garage for it to keep it out of the sunshine. So as well as installing the perimeter wire and all the other stuff, we have the garage to fix up too. So we got lots of work. Actually, right now Ali is out in the garden with a scarifier, just finishing the edges around where the perimeter wire is going to go. We're now outside and Ali is preparing the lawn beautifully, and this is where it's going to be set up down here. And our only problem is that we got two bits of lawn and we're not quite sure how it's going to get from one side to the other. We've prepared this little bit of ground and it's meant to go across this pathway and down onto the other lawn, but we're not quite sure, are we,
No.
whether it will work. So
Because they're saying it has to have a track of
1
the
metre
vehicle.
35, which would take it across to here somewhere. Anyway, we're going to have a go and get some electricity out here. I'm going to open the box of bits.
Oh, okay.
This is the box of bits, and inside here there's a thing that tells you about something or other in German and English. There's some screws for holding the base down, there's a charger, there's a cover, there's lots of pegs, oh, and a handy measurer or two. So we have everything we need here. We bought our one in Germany, so we have a German European type plug, but we do have an adapter, so that's all right. So I'm going to run that from our extension lead, which is in the shed now, and see if we can get it charging up. So number one is to plan it out, which we're kind of doing, and number two in the things is preparing the garden, which is what Ali's doing over there. very neatly. And then number 3 is positioning the docking station, and here we've got the docking station in the right place, because apparently it has to go in a corner or along the edge, and the robot is going to go on this way, the Indego is going to go in that way, the power is going to go on that corner, and it's all a bit temporary at the moment because we just trying to work out the best way of doing everything and getting power out into this shed. So we have an extension lead, and then the wire is going to run down here at the side of his path and across. Okay, so we've positioned this charging point so that it's 30 centimetres from this edge to about that point there, and also 30 centimetres from the end there. A little bit closer it can manage. We're on a bit of a slope here, but I'm hoping it's not going to be too much of a slope. And then the next thing is to get the perimeter wire fed in somewhere. So that's my next job, is to find the perimeter wire, which is here, and to work out how to do this bit. Okay. Right, the perimeter wire here feeds in underneath at the front there and follows this arrow, comes out at the back, out here now. And then the next thing is to strip off the wire and then connect it to this black connector here, if you can see that. Right, green wire now connected nicely, and then the next bit is to plug this low voltage wire into the back here. So it plugs in this way, and then there's a little screwy thing here that I guess I will screw up. It stops it pulling out, and so that's all connected in. Right, this is some back panel which apparently you don't connect yet, and so that's ready to go on when we need it to go on. So I'm going to go and put the power on now. Got the wires connected. It says fix the docking station. Actually, I've put the power on already, and if we have a look here we can see that there's a little green light, which is very very encouraging. So I'm going to fix the fixing screws now, and also there's another manual of some sorts in here. Not sure what this one does any differently. Oh, it's got lots of more detail. This is the one I was hoping to have, because it has lots more information about the model that we bought, which is the S Plus 350. Okay, I'll prepare these and then we'll screw it down over here. The charging station, last one going in. No idea really how tight to make it, but that looks pretty good. Time to turn the thing on. So we've entered the pin, which is a state secret. It says it's charging. It's got a green light on. It's got a sort of like an empty looking battery, which presumably means it's got an empty battery. It's got a sort of, it's not got a red light anymore, but it does say charging. So I guess it's charging. The job now is to put the perimeter wire around. Let's hope we got enough. Just a little look at the perimeter wire. The wire is just this stuff here, and very straightforward to use. And the peg is like this, and essentially you just peg it out as described in the installation guide, which I won't go into, but it really is very, very easy. You just plonk it in there, get your mallet, make sure everything is taut, and it goes. How do you feel so far?
Exhausted.
So the garden is all wired up. Perimeter wire done. It's pretty much charged up now. We're going to go and see what we do next. We've cut the perimeter wire, we've connected it to the red point. And then this is the big turn on. Here we go. It's pressing the green button. What does it say? Map garden, it says. Stand back, it's like firework night. Does it need another tick? Maybe press another tick. Oh yeah, perhaps tick again to confirm. Whoa! Right. Look out.
Starting Samsung, it says.
Starting what? It's off. He's off.
I will have to solve with him just to make sure he's happy.
And doesn't get stuck.
Corner hand.
Corner. Oh, neatly done. Just in there, yeah, that's why it needs that extra bit of space there. Right, we're coming up to the tricky corner now, where it needs to go over the path if we're lucky, and if it doesn't, we're unlucky. Yeah. Okay, here it comes. Oh, that worked all right. Oh, is it unhappy?
Confused?
No, it's off again.
That leaves a little space in the corner.
Yeah. Don't go over the edge. Oh yes, that's good. So it's coping quite well with our bumpy lawn at the moment.
Very big wheels with rubber eyes.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried about this corner.
Think about it.
No trouble.
And what's this?
This is the real moment of truth.
Up a hill.
Oh, good.
First for the other one.
Get up the hill. Whoa, yeah. Look at that guy go. Right, almost home.
Think about
Think.
it.
Must store something at this point where there's a corner or something. Oh, is it unhappy? It thinks to itself, don't like that.
Just like this is.
Oh, what does it say? It says, is this the docking station? No. How do you do a no? No, down. Remove obstacle and press tick. We haven't got an obstacle. This doesn't think it wants to be there. I wonder if it'll cope.
Oh.
Is this the docking station? Yes. Completing mapping. Is it going to get itself back onto its base? Oh, where's it off to? Oh, it's going round again. It's off again, love. So is that... Oh no, it's going to turn itself to go back in here.
So clever. Because if that's going round in a certain direction, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it has to
Docked. Cool. Saving map. It says saving map. Now it says mow now. Alright, why not? Countdown 3, 2, 1. Whoops, he's off. Cutting lawn it says now. Oh.
What number is it on?
Oh, I don't know. Well, there it goes off into the distance. It is actually cutting, isn't it? You can see, just slightly.
Yeah. Stop and lift those first.
Oh. What's it saying now? Where's it off to? Nope. What did it do that for? Sort of weird. Oh, it says cutting border. Oh, it's so tight, isn't it? Didn't hear any nasty scraping noises anyway. So it's off. All on its own. Okay. Just that does it. Oh, it's doing it. Hey, how cool is that? Love it. Now what would it do at the docking station?
Now it has to know the rest of the grass. It should know where it is now. Okay, now it's going to cut.
Rating. Ooh, look out. Mowing again. Don't turn your back on it. What does calibrating mean? So what's it doing down there?
It's working, it's
working out the...
It's not a random mower, is it?
No.
I think.
So it's sort of going
Up and
slightly
down.
angled. Just moving away, isn't it? Well, Igor, or Boris, or whatever we're going to call him, is working very well. We're a little bit worried that he won't find his way home. He's been mowing for 20 minutes or more now, and I didn't think the battery lasted for that long, and we weren't fully charged, but we'll see. And he's done two interesting patches. He did a little bit of lawn cutting up here, and then he's been doing a bit down here where you can almost see the lines where the cutting is, and now he's gone down to the bottom there, and he's sort of going backwards and forwards on a thin strip down there. So it's got some sort of strategy for covering the whole lawn. Very interesting. Anyway, we're pleased with it so far. It's coming home. Oh, where's it going to? Going home, it says. It's done a shortcut. Is it going to turn the right way? Looks like it's going to make it. Ha! Now it says saving map again. Okay, so this is day 2 of our life with what is now known as Boris, Igor, Indego, Bosch, and here he is. He's going strong, and the lawn is looking pretty good actually. We've had no technical difficulties, and we're just going to make a few adjustments to the positioning of the wire, because some places we have it a bit further out than we need to. For example, down here the wire is running and we could have it a bit closer and it'll just do this border a little bit better. All in all, we're just totally delighted, and it just wanders around being very happy. I know it's going to go over the pathway here. I don't know if it's heading back home. Might be going home. Oh yeah, it's on its way home, which sometimes it does directly, and sometimes it goes all the way down this one and then across. So this will be a going home run. But you see, just here we could actually get the wire a bit closer to this pathway and it would just mow a little bit more. And it's not in a dangerous position, as it can't fall off and damage itself, and the cutting seems to be going very well. We have it on its lowest setting of 30 millimeters, and that seems to be doing well. So it's coming down the line here now, and it seems to run for about 45 minutes and then comes back for a recharge. I think the recharge is about 45 minutes to an hour as well. And here he goes, going back into his, thinking about going back into his house. There he goes. Stopped. Ha. Conclusion.
We like it.
We like it. It's been really good, and it's been out quite a few times now, and it's been round the garden, and the grass is very short.
Probably a bit too short, I was thinking.
We'll see how it all goes, but we're feeling very delighted, aren't we?
Very positive.
Very positive about it.
Good.
Thank you, Bosch.
And Boris.